Good morning, good morning, good morning. The 16th of September, the Friday analysis, as you can see over here, buys were above 25.70. Very nice buys. The thing is, we did not know how far it's gonna go. Like I said, trading a new high is very tricky. And you can see right now we have a new high that has been formed today. All right. So it's tricky to continue trading. This has just been formed like in the last 1 hour. We just had a new high, 25.90. That's the new high on gold right now. So trading a new high is a bit different because it's a bit difficult because you don't know how far it's gonna go. Like here, this is where we're targeting last time. We just targeted a couple of pips over here, and it actually happened. All right. So what you're going to do is let's check what we have in terms of fundamentals for this week. For the week, USD, Tuesday, we have the CPI on Canadian dollar, core retail sales on the dollar, GBP, CPI on the GBP. Then we have the FOMC on Wednesday. That's basically the major news that we're expecting this week, the FOMC. What else? Do we have anything else on the dollar? No, nada. All right. So FOMC Wednesday. That's the biggest news event for this week. Okay. All right. So let's go again, do a fresh new analysis. Now we have a new high. And you can see how the market is. We have a new high. And the problem with having a new high is that this market, we don't know how far it's going to go up. So we don't have a resistance phase right now. And the problem is the resistance will be across all the phases, all the time frames. Across all the time frames, we don't have a resistance. So what we have is supports. So this analysis is going to be tricky. Monthly support. So there comes a time in market where you realize your strategy sometimes becomes less. You cannot be able to satisfy your need to trade with your most used analysis. So what you do is you always accept, adjust, and then all right. Okay. Oh, this is the daily. All right. This is the daily resistance. Sorry. So this is supposed to be the monthly, not resistance, support. This is supposed to be the weekly support. This is supposed to be the daily support. Uh, yeah. Yeah. In terms of daily resistance that has been broken, it's very important that we draw that. Of course, that is a daily resistance that has been broken. Daily resistance. It was broken. And now the market is headed up and up and up and up. Wow. For 4 hours, we are right here. This is the most immediate support level now that we have on terms of 4 hours. So we have a H4 support over here. Then on 1 hour, what we got? We got on 1 hour. All right. Wow, this market is really moving up. I told you the uncertainty on the dollar because of the elections, moving the gold. Everybody is running to the gold as a safe haven. The problem is now, if you had not bought at these lows, over here we are on the highs now. It's a bit tricky to take in a buy at that point because it can first of all do something like this, which means you hitting stop loss, and now it's making a new high again. Wow, this is gold, right? So right now we're gonna see an area that was broken. Of course, this area was broken. This was supposed to be the 30 minutes resistance. So this is the 30 minute support, 30 minutes resistance, broken again. You know, we are just marking it so that you can see that means the resistance was broken once again. And 15 minutes, what do we have? We are at the point where now the market is slipping over here and over there. That is the 15 minutes. Honestly, you know what? I see no tradable market over here. Not unless we keep on looking for the... Okay, this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. Below that point, we could get, and it's actually coming below. Crazy. It's not even going to let me do nothing in there. This could be a very nice selling area. So let's just talk about potential aggressive sales below here. Potential buys, of course. That's the best we can do, trust me. That's the best we can do. This is the best we can do for today. This market has new highs and highs and highs and highs, and it's really not gonna be easy for anyone to do them. But the sells, definitely, if we have potential aggressive sells, which you can jump into them, probably you could raise the market down to this point, if should it go that far. Okay, but according to the pressure that are there right now, it's like the market is making just new highs and new highs and new highs, and it's going up. So might wanna also have our long positions aggressively being there, but then also make sure just you put your stop loss just below the previous low. This will be the previous low, all right? So when you enter over here, this should be your previous low. Calculate if this distance is okay for you to have a stop loss. If it's not okay for you to have a stop loss, then try to put it a bit lower, but then that stands at the risk of being touched, right? Because it's creating a new high, all right? So remember, we've never gone to this point. I'm only gonna put it to 2,600, but remember, the market will do what it has to do. All right. So we will check. We will check on that's the most immediate things that I can tell you we're going to be looking at. Should you have I would like to see at least even a 30-minute candle close above this point so that I can continue with the buys. Or I'd like to see a 30 minutes candle close below this point, the 30 minutes resistance, so that now I can continue pushing down. Other than that, that's how the market is. That's how the gold market has decided to be. Okay. The sales would happen if, should the market start going down, definitely, we have very good areas for selling. But as we can see, the market is being fundamentally driven, and it's being driven by the fact that these elections in the US, which the campaigns and the politics going on right now, it's creating, the more we are continuing to go closer to the election date, the more uncertain the economy is becoming, and the more people will be jumping onto gold as a safe haven. So expect gold to continue pushing up. All right. All right, guys. All right, let's keep an eye on this. Let's watch. Let's see what we have today. We will review it tomorrow, definitely, to see how the market plays out today. Bearing in mind, we have FOMC on Wednesday at 9 p.m. All right. Trade what you see, not what you think, and risk manage your trades as well. All right. See you when you see me. Bye-bye. Happy hunting.